this is a 4-port USB power supply. Here are the 4 ports. And the label says that it is a charging hub, that it takes 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 0.8 amps on the input, and the output is DC 5 volts, 2.4 amps. And I'm going to put a load on it to see if there is a power supply for each individual port. Now I'm going to load test this power supply. I have one of these little USB voltage testers. Now plug it in. Showing 5.11 volts and 0 amps. Now the output's here. So I have my load plugged in. Start increasing the current. And we are up to around an amp, and the voltage is still at 5.1 volts. Now we're at 2 amps, and the voltage is still at 5.1 volts. And now we're approaching 2.4 amps, and the voltage is at 5.11 volts. And oh no! Oops, I'm gonna keep going. And right when the current hits 2.5 amps, nope, a little higher, 2.66 amps, the voltage starts dropping. I'm gonna put it to 2.4 amps and bring in another USB tester. Okay, put this. Okay, so this tester is showing 5.1 volts. Again, we gotta turn the current up. Again. Now the voltage dropped to 3.73. On this tester, it's showing 3.69. So there's only one power supply for the whole 4-port hub. Here we go. So I've already been in, and the bottom opens up, revealing a circuit board. Here, I'm going to pull this out. Ooh. And here is the circuit board. We have the transformer here. A weird blue thing, I'm not sure what it is. Some capacitors, some green resistor looking thing. Not sure what this loop is. An LED, the USB ports, and another capacitor. Now here's the bottom of the board. We have some chips and some surface mount components. And there is good isolation between the primary and secondary side of the transformer.